Hi guys, welcome to Jules Cooking. Spring is here, the sun is shining and it's a beautiful day. So I decided to make a delicious dish with some green peas and burrata. So, let's begin. Start by cutting 250 grams of celery in big slices. Then transfer this into a blender and add 700 grams of apple juice, 8 grams of salt, 20 grams of lime juice and 10 mint leaves. Now blender this until it's completely smooth and then put it through a sieve. Press any remaining liquid out of the pulp using a ladle. Then pour it on a sieve laid with a kitchen paper. We do this to clarify it. Let this sit in your fridge. Meanwhile, cut 6 limes in half and juice them. Now weigh 150 grams of the juice and also add 80 grams of water, 80 grams of sugar, 20 grams of ginger syrup and 8 grams of agar powder. Mix this and then bring it to a boil for 2 minutes. Once boiled, pour it in an oven dish and let it cool down completely in your fridge. After that, transfer it into a blender and spin it till you have a smooth gel. Then put this gel in a piping bag. Now put 250 grams of frozen peas in a pan together with 200 grams of vegetable broth, 100 grams of double cream and 2 grams of salt. Now boil this till the liquid has reduced in half. Then pour it into a blender and spin it till smooth. Now pour this in a piping bag as well. After that, pour 120 grams of flour on your worktop. Also add 2 grams of salt, 80 grams of cold cubes of butter and 1 egg yolk. Now knead this until you're left with a nice ball of dough. Now wrap it in plastic foil and let it set in your fridge for at least half an hour. Once set, flour your worktop and roll out the dough till it's around 2 mm thin. Then cut the dough with a big round cutter. Now butter your tartlets with some soft butter and then carefully press the dough in the mold. For this, I always use some flour trimmings. Now trim the sides with the back of your knife and let the dough set for another 30 minutes in your fridge. Then bake them at 170 degrees Celsius for around 25 minutes till golden brown. Meanwhile, clean 500 grams of peas. Now blanch them in some salted water for around 2 minutes. Then cool them in some ice water and after that remove the second membrane. Now cut 8 leaves of mint fine. Add them to the peas together with some of the lime gel, some olive oil and some salt and pepper. Mix this and then set aside for later. Then pour 200 grams of white wine vinegar in a pan and also add 300 grams of white wine, 2 grams of salt and 4 bay leaves. Bring this to a boil. Now clean a couple of pearl onions and cut them in half. Boil them for 1 minute and then let them cool down in the liquid. Then cut the tartelette in half and pipe some cream on the bottom. Now put the pea salad on top. Transfer the tartelette on a plate and add the pearl onions. After that, pipe a couple of dots of the lime gel in between and put some chickweed on top. And now put a big spoon of the burrata on the side and season it with pepper and salt. And now I serve it with the celery broth. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. So don't forget to like it, share it and subscribe if you want to see more. Bon appetit!